Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when the Roblox Marketplace is not loading on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The Marketplace not loading problem usually occurs because of issues with the Roblox server, your own network connection or outdated game files. Right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. End Roblox related processes such as the game client or shaders and mods guys. After closing it, go to Chrome. Make sure you logged in your Roblox account and you just need to click on the settings gear icon and select logout guys and log back in. If you are unable to log back in your account, then this problem is related to the Roblox servers guys. Check my video description for this website link guys. You just need to check the server or operational. You can see the current and past server related problems such as server outages or maintenance planned on your servers in your religion guys. If the Roblox marketplace is not loading on your mobile device, then make sure to exit the Roblox app and make sure that the game is up to date through your Google Play Store or App Store guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.